Right now, your phone is playing this video. Your laptop might have 10 tabs open. Your smartwatch might be tracking your heartbeat. And all of this feels effortless. But inside every device, there is a tiny chip, smaller than your thumbnail, working harder than anything you've ever seen. It is called the CPU, the Central Processing Unit. This tiny brain is making billions of decisions every single second, silently, invisibly, non-stop. Today, you'll finally understand how this tiny brain actually thinks. Think about it. Why this matters. When a computer becomes slow, people say, "My laptop is old. My phone is lagging. Internet is bad." But behind every slow moment, fast moment, crash, or smooth experience, there is the CPU working at its limits. When you understand the CPU, technology stops feeling mysterious. You become confident instead of confused. Imagine a massive factory. Orders arrive every second. Machines operate non-stop. Workers coordinate. Managers give instructions. Quality control checks outputs. That factory is your CPU. It doesn't build physical products. It builds decisions. Now, let's talk about what a CPU is really. So, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Let's break the words. Central. It is the main controller. Processing. It performs thinking and calculations. Unit. It is a physical chip. Simply, the CPU is the main brain of the computer that reads instructions, makes decisions, performs calculations, and controls all parts of the system. Without a CPU, the screen cannot display anything. The keyboard cannot respond. The internet cannot work. The storage cannot load files. A computer without a CPU is like a body without a brain. The three main parts of the CPU are ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, the calculator, Control Unit, the manager, and registers, ultra-fast memory inside CPU. Let's open the brain. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, the calculator. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. This is the part of the CPU that actually performs calculations and comparisons. Examples. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Is 10 greater than 5? Should this condition be true or false? Every time you scroll, click, open an app, play a game, thousands of tiny calculations happen inside the ALU. It is like the mathematical brain of the computer. Control Unit, the manager. The control unit is like a traffic manager or conductor. It decides which instruction to execute next, where data should go, when memory should be read, when output should be displayed. It doesn't calculate, it coordinates. Like a manager in a factory telling workers what to do next. Registers, ultra-fast memory inside CPU. Registers are tiny memory spaces inside the CPU itself. They store current instruction, temporary numbers, immediate results. They are extremely fast, faster than RAM, random access memory. Think of registers like sticky notes on your desk. Information you need instantly. CPU equals calculator, ALU, plus manager, control unit, plus sticky notes, registers. Let's take a look at how the CPU actually thinks. So, every CPU follows a continuous cycle called fetch, decode, execute cycle. Let's understand this slowly. Fetch. The CPU fetches an instruction from memory. Example instruction, add 2 numbers. Decode. The CPU decodes what this instruction means. It identifies what operation, which data, where to store result. Execute. The ALU performs the calculation. The result is stored back in registers or memory. This loop repeats billions of times per second. That's how computers feel fast. Clock speed. How fast the CPU thinks. The CPU works in tiny time pulses called clock cycles. Clock speed is measured in gigahertz. 1 gigahertz equals 1 billion cycles per second. A 3 gigahertz CPU does 3 billion operations every second. Faster clock, more instructions per second. But faster also means more heat. Heat and cooling. Why fans exist. Every calculation produces heat. Too much heat damages chips. That's why computers have fans, heat sinks. Liquid cooling. Heat limits speed. Smart design balances speed and temperature. Multi-core. Many brains working together. Modern CPUs have multiple cores. Each core is like a mini CPU. More cores allow parallel work. Example: one core handles browser, another handles music, another handles background updates. Not all apps use multiple cores efficiently. Apple M-series chips integrate CPU, GPU, graphics processing unit, AI accelerators on one chip. AI models run on specialized processors. Same fundamentals, faster engineering. Speed is not everything. Balance between clock speed, core count, cooling, software optimization. Real performance comes from harmony.